Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to create text shortcuts on iPhone 16. Let's begin. So first you want to go into settings, then you want to click general. In here you scroll down a little until you find keyboard, and then we hit text replacement. As you can see here, we have a list of all our shortcuts right now. So let's simply click the plus icon, and here we can choose the phrase that will automatically appear and the shortcut for it. So for the shortcut I will see, let's go with B-movie, and the phrase will be at the beginning of the B-movie script. Then we simply hit save. As you can see, our shortcut is now done. So all we should do now is, let's open our notes here. I have notes set as my action button. So we go with so, and let's try to use our shortcut here. And as you can see now, we have this shortcut, so we can simply click it. And as you can see now, we have nice looking shortcuts. And of course you can basically set up whatever you want. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.